Hi guys, this morning I'm going to show you a recipe that I like to make. It's a soul food recipe. It's pork neck bones with potatoes. It's a delicious meal, and it's not hard to make. You make it in a crock pot. I'm using the pan from my Ninja Foodi, so I can put it in the Foodi and put it on 6 hours and let it cook away. So first thing we're going to need is 3 pounds of neck bones. And these are fresh neck bones. And you want to wash them really good, clean them. The next thing we're going to use is a large onion. 1.5 large onions. Just put that in there with the bones. Then we're going to season it. So in here I have 3 teaspoons of seasoned salt, Lawry's, a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder. So you want to sprinkle that in. It's easy enough to make. And then we're going to put in 2 packages of gravy mix. And this is roasted pork gravy. So we just want to sprinkle that in. There's 1 pack. There's 2. Now you want to get in there and kind of mix everything together best you can. Try to get that seasoning all over the neck bones. That'll work. Now, next thing we want to do is add 3 cups of broth. I'm using vegetable broth. This will make a really good gravy. It's not a hard recipe at all. Now, we're going to add 5 medium russet potatoes. I had large ones, so I'm using 4. Get those situated in the pot. There we have it. Now, it's going to go in the crock pot. We're going to set it on high, and we're going to cook it for 6 hours. So I'll go ahead and cook it, and when it's done I'll bring it out and let you have a look.